train in a veggie way, not with steel or shiny red, but a bright orange carrot head. Choo-choo carrot head, rolling through the flower bed. Crunchy wheels and leafy tail, zooming down the veggie trail. Through the hills of mashed potato, over rivers made of tomato, past the cornfield soft and sweet, with radish horns that beep, beep, beep. Choo-choo carrot head, Wiggly smoking green and red, sings a song both fun and loud. I'm the train that makes you proud. Broccoli buds wave from the trees, cabbage clouds float in the breeze. Carrot laughs, let's go again. Everyone loves this veggie train. He stops at Peapod Station Square, drops off pickles here and there, then off again with a joyful grin, with the parsnip chef and the turnip twin. Choo-choo carrot head, leaves a trail of crumbs and bread. Silly, tasty, fun to ride, Chugga the train with veggie pride.